Now, this is how you can disable internet access for specific apps on your Android phone. Let's get started. Let me show you how it works. If you are new here, definitely subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one. So first of all, you can open up your settings like that. And when you go in here, you have the ability to manage your situation with the connections. So you can see if you have been using the data for Wi-Fi and for mobile data or whatever. So you will have the ability to manage it like that. But in order for you to have full control over your third-party apps and whether they can access internet over Wi-Fi or cellular, you have to get an app from the Play Store. The best one for this purpose, in my opinion, is one called NetGuard, which you can get for free from the Play Store. You can install it, and this is going to give you full control over your your apps. So you can see the toggle for Wi-Fi as well as mobile data, and you can disable it for the individual applications. Keep in mind that you have to kind of like enable it at first, and you have to give the app access to like control that kind of stuff, because it's a third-party app. You just download it, so you have to give it permission to control Wi-Fi and internet access for those apps. So you're gonna have to follow the instructions, enable it like that, and then make sure that the app can access what it needs. But then once it's all done, you will have the ability to decide which app can access internet through Wi-Fi or cellular data. But that's it from me. I hope I was able to explain that. If you found this video helpful, just hit the thumbs up. Let me know what you think below, and I'll see you in the future uploads.